Hi friends, welcome to Hasini and Friends channel. Today I'm tell about how to make this beautiful wall hanging with newspapers. Let's start. Take a newspaper and roll it like shown in this video. Apply glue and attach it. Make some more paper sticks like this and arrange like a diamond shape like shown in this video. Apply black color to this wall hanging. Now take a round sheet of paper and cut it like shown in this video. I am making rose flower with this paper. Now quill it like shown. If you have quilling needle, use quilling needle to quill this paper. I am showing you how to quill with hands easily. Apply glue and attach it. Now the rose flower is ready. Make some more rose flowers like this. Now take green color paper and draw leaf shape and cut it. Make 8 leaves like this. Now fold the leaf like shown. Fold all the leaves. Now take 5 round shaped papers and fold it like shown. Draw heart shape and cut it. I am making big rose flower with this. Now apply glue to this flower wing and attach all the flower wings like this. Now attach all the leaves and flowers to the wall hanging. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.